What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I actually wanted to talk about daily affiliate commissions. Now today I was actually able to generate over $100 in affiliate commissions, and I didn't pick up a phone. I wasn't beating anybody over the head with my business opportunity. I didn't even mail my list. Now in this video today I want to show you how I was able to do that and how you, even as a beginner starting out, can actually do this too. And in fact, I did it with free traffic, so you definitely don't want to miss this video, and we're starting right now. All right, guys, before I get started, if this is the very first time you come to my channel and you have no idea who I am, my name is John McNeil, and on this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, what we're going to do is we're actually going to be jumping right into this video, and it won't be a very long video because I just want to show you guys a concept that I've been using here recently that's been earning me daily affiliate commission, and that's what I want for you guys as well. Like I said, you don't even have to invest into paid advertising. You can actually do this absolutely free. So what you're actually seeing here on the screen now is my second YouTube channel. This is a channel that I started. It's called Internet Marketing Reviews, and I don't have a lot of subscribers on this channel, and in fact a lot of my videos don't really have a lot of views. But the majority of the people that are watching this video right now, you think that in order to make affiliate commissions with your YouTube channel that you have to have 100,000 subscribers and you have to have tens of thousands of views on your videos in order to actually make any affiliate commissions. And it's just not true. This channel has less than 300 subscribers right now, and the majority of these videos have probably less than 1,000 views, right? Now, we jump over here into my email. You can actually see that I was able to generate a commission here with videos. This is a software that, I promote on that second channel, and I got a commission of $48.50. And then I have another sale here for Affiliate Tuber, which is another commission that I made, $48.50. And then if I actually popped out of my email, you can actually see if I come down here that I made a Partner with Anthony sale here today as well. And when I make a Partner with Anthony sale, that sale usually turns into a multitude of other affiliate sales. And if I even go back maybe a day or so, you can actually see I want to say a couple of days ago, I got 3 sales here. You can see Partner with Anthony sales. There was 3 sales just a couple days ago that I made. And again, those sales turn into a multitude of sales because Partner with Anthony is a hub that promotes all sorts of different products. But what I want you guys to understand is that on this particular channel, I'm actually promoting those products that you saw me making commissions from. So if we take a look at this first video, the Affiliate Tuber, which is a sale that I actually made today, this video only has 74 views, right? 74 views, and I posted it this week. 74 views, and I've already actually made multiple sales with this actual video. Here's another one. Let's look at Partner with Anthony. 255 views. You just saw this week alone, and it's probably even more sales because I could probably go back into my email and show you. In the last 2 days, I've made 4 sales with Partner with Anthony. 255 views. Again, Partner with Anthony, when I make the initial sale, there's multiple sales that come after each additional affiliate sale because it is a hub. Let's look at another video. This is the videos video. I just got this commission today. You just saw it in my email. Now this one actually picked up. This has been on the channel for a couple months, and it's done 6,400 views. But it's just that it's ranked very well and it's getting a lot of traffic just because there's a lot of paid advertising going out about this particular product right now. So what I did was positioned my video and ranked it, and now it's getting a lot of traffic. But even if you look at the other videos where they have, hundreds of views, they're still generating a lot of commissions on a day-to-day basis. Now, again, you can see that on my main channel here, I don't have a ton of subscribers. And for the majority of these videos, you can see they're usually less than 100 views. But I'm telling you, and if you've been following me for the past couple weeks, I've been showing proof of me making daily commissions with these different products and these different tools. Now, there's a specific formula that you need to follow in order to actually do that. And it's basically about creating a quality video and getting that video ranked. So I actually finally did a review of the product that taught me how to do exactly that. Taught me how to create a quality video and how to properly set up a YouTube channel and do the proper keyword research and optimization and all the other little tips and tricks on how to actually rank videos. Now, this isn't to become a YouTube influencer. So if you want to get 1 million subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views, this isn't what we're talking about here. What we're talking about is taking videos, creating videos, quality videos, and then doing little things to the videos to get them ranked so that when specific people are searching for those products and those services and those specific business opportunities, your video comes up. And if somebody is searching about that product and they're looking to buy that product and they're looking for more information about that product, you don't need thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of views to make sales. These sales come in every day. Every view could be a potential sale, right? And so on my second channel, I actually did a review of the course that I took to teach me how to set up everything. And again, it's called Affiliate Tuber. And I did it here. It says Affiliate Tuber Review. And I'm actually selling that product. And again, it only got 74 views, but it's made multiple affiliate commissions. But I show proof in this video. I show proof that it actually works. I go through multiple videos. If you watch the video, I'm going to leave this video underneath this video here so you can check it out in the description. And I show you that I'm ranking these specific videos and that these videos are generating me affiliate commission. So if that interests you, if you are a beginner, if you're just starting out and maybe you don't have a ton of money to invest into paid marketing, but maybe you want to create videos and maybe you've even tried to create videos and get traffic with YouTube, but maybe you have not been doing the correct things. What I would highly recommend and highly suggest that you do is check out my Affiliate Tuber review. Watch that entire video and let me explain to you more in depth on how this is done and how you can actually take simple videos, 10-minute videos, and get those videos ranked and create daily affiliate commissions. So that's all I have for today. Remember, go down in the description and check out that Affiliate Tuber review video, and it'll show you exactly how I've been doing this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.